Hey, so welcome back to Basin Motorsports. Today, we're going to quickly show you how to change the front windshield wipers on your Nissan Versa. So to start with, the Nissan Versa, the 2007 to 2013 models have different windshield wiper lengths. The driver's side itself uses a 22-inch. The passenger side uses a 14-inch. Now, you can probably find these at a local parts store or your favorite online retailer, but go ahead and order them now so that when it's time to change them, you can get it done quickly. So to start with, I'm going to start on the driver's side, and to start with, I need to pull up the wiper. Now, you can pull the wiper up and it will sit in place, making it easy to use. In order to start this, I'm going to turn the wiper almost 90 degrees to the wiper arm itself. And on the inside, you're going to use one of your fingers and there's going to be a detent. So if you notice the angle here, you're going to pinch, pull the wiper down away from the arm, and then you'll be able to take it off. So if I show you up close, you can see this is the wiper arm. And then I'm going to pinch here and then pull at the same time. So I'm going to pinch and pull this away. Now once I have the wiper dislodged, I can then pull it down in to where it will now fit through this opening. So if I show you the opening, you can now pull the wiper up and off. Okay, so once you take the new wiper out of the package, then you're going to look for the opening beyond the clip, just like this. That is now going to slide in to the wiper, and then you can make sure the clip is going to align. Now, when you push this up into the arm, you're going to feel it snap, and you'll hear it snap. When you hear it go ting, you know it's in. Now you can also pull back on it, trying to take it back off, and if it's not coming off, you did it right. So with that, that is the driver's side. Now the passenger side, even though it's smaller, is going to be the same process. So there again, I'm going to pull up the wiper. Now I can go all the way up if I want it hands-free, but it's really not required. So I can just leave it with one hand, turn the wiper almost 90 degrees. Remember, take my other hand, I'm going to pinch the tab, I'm going to then push it out of the arm. Now you may have to jiggle it a little bit to get it to come off, but once it's loose, you'll then pull it through the opening in the wiper. And if you need free hands, just gently set it against the windshield, because remember, it's going to snap back if you let it go. So just set it down on the windshield. Then take the new wiper out. Most likely it's going to have the clip already installed. You then align it, push it through the wiper, get the clip aligned with a finger, and remember to pull until it snaps and clicks. Did you hear that? It's on. Now again, I can push on to make sure it fits, and that is simply it. So now just discard your old wipers. Job is done. So if you like this helpful tip on your Nissan Versa, check out the series I have available and subscribe to get every new release I have. That's it from Basin Motorsports. See you next time.